I'm Carl Anthony with AutoSens TV, and we're here at AutoSens Brussels 2019 from the AutoWorld Museum, speaking today with Laurent Demezet. He is from Hamamatsu Photonics, and he is a key account manager for the company. And Laurent, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Carl.
So tell us, just give us an overview about Hamamatsu Photonics. Give us an overview of the company.
With pleasure. So Hamamatsu Photonics is a Japanese company, 1953. So we're on stock exchange. We are around the world around, let's say, 5,000 people, especially working for optoelectronics solution. It can be from the component to a complete system. So currently we have let's say 10 buildings or 10 sites for production.
Sure.
And so our main market, it's huge indeed, is going from high energy physics. This summer, for instance, we have been awarded by CERN in Switzerland for a big contract regarding silicon detectors. And so then after, maybe our main market is medical, dental application for vision, X-ray, and so on, and consumer, and then automotive, as we have here some products.
Okay.
And especially automotive is vast. We've been working with automotive customers like Tier 1 for more than 40 years. So we know the market, we know that the high quality is requested, and here one of the market inside the automotive field is, of course, LiDAR for us, means emitters and receivers.
So tell us a little bit about the products you have on display. Tell us what AutoSens attendees can see when they come up to your exhibit.
Okay, thanks. So mainly for LiDAR, so you need, depends. So you have 5 main way of proceeding. So you can have flash LiDAR, you can have short range, you can have medium and long range. So depending on the type of LiDAR you are aiming at, so you have different kind of approach, different kind of products. So for instance, for short range LiDAR and such as flash LiDAR, you might need VCSEL emitters, okay? And so we are still under development, but we are making some VCSEL here. And on the opposite, if you go to very long range, so you will need pulse laser diodes at 905 nanometers, and you will need APDs array photodiodes with internal amplification, and so it can be arrays or single pole depending on the approach if you are making a scanning or whatever.
So tell us a little bit about, the products that you have here, but the strengths of these products for your customers. Give us a little more detail there.
Okay. So we are making silicon sensor, we are making also in-gas sensor for high safe approach, like 1.55 micron. Anyway, these are the core devices. Then you need to manage the key enabling technologies, and you have to have also for automotive, when we are speaking to Tier 1, you have to have the capacities to follow them, to follow the ramp up, then to follow the big quantities. Here I am speaking we are speaking to anyone. Roughly, we are in discussion with more worldwide, from China, Europe, and US. We are speaking with 70 companies right now. LiDAR only. And for such kind of, let's say, if we are aiming Tier 1, you need high quality, you need high capacity, so you have to follow, of course, which is mandatory, automotive certification, qualification, and so on. You have many audit on site, on production sites, and so on. So this is very typical Japanese way of doing the business, having high quality, every batch size, always top quality.
Now, it may seem like a very obvious question, but why is high quality important? Why does that matter?
Here, automotive is vast as for applications. So as long as it's for, let's say, comfort, like head-up displays and so on, let's say inner application in the vehicle itself. So if the system is failing, it's not a big deal. But when you are talking about security, safety of people, then this is exactly LiDAR application. You need a high security. So you don't have to fail with any, you don't injuries, recall products, and so on. So this is the main goal of automotive and LiDAR. So you need to be high quality always.
So let's talk about the trends in the LiDAR market. Where do you see it going in the next 5 years or 10 years? And then where do you see the product line of Hamamatsu Photonics going to meet the changes in the market?
So it depends on the market, it depends on a lot of things indeed, but let's say for the long term, frankly speaking, I don't know, to be honest. But for the very short term, you can see already such kind of solution in the field. So it's merely based on pulse laser diodes at 905 nanometers and APDs array. This is a short term. Short terms mean the real quantity will come by 2020, not before. For high, let's say for more advanced solutions, maybe something will begin by 2023, 2025 with advanced sensors. But we still need to make some effort regarding the reliability and so on, like silicon PM and the derivative from SPAD and so on.
From all of us here at AutoSens TV, we want to wish you the best of luck going forward and safe travels home.
Okay, thank you very much, Carl. Bye-bye.
Speaking with Laurent Demezet from Hamamatsu Photonics. We're here at AutoSens Brussels 2019. For more AutoSens and for more AutoSens TV, like, subscribe, and share.